Hey guys, more cowbell here with another Ganzo knife review. This is the Ganzo G728 in green. It's tip up, carry right or left, reversible. It's a flipper style knife with a liner lock. Feels like it has kind of a spring assist. Feels pretty sturdy. Flips good. Centering's pretty good, a little bit off, no big deal. A little bit of jimping back there. Feels pretty good. Comes in the standard Ganzo box with the little felt pouch, which I don't have with me right now. Blade is 440C steel. Looks like it's kind of a stonewash finish on this one. Nice and sharp out of the box. Slices paper pretty well. Let's see, it's a hollow grind blade. The blade is 8.8 centimeters long, overall length 20.3 centimeters. So you can do the conversion, figure out inches or whatever. Anyway, I'm pretty pleased with it. It's a pretty good knife. That's all for now. Thanks.